In this video, I'm going to show you how to put audio in Google Sites. Now, the only way to do this is as follows. You want to go to your Google Drive and you want to upload in some audio. So as you can see here, I have an MP3 of my tutorial, one of my tutorials over here. You want to right click on that audio and you want to go and do share. And from here, you want to click on copy link. Now, whenever you do that, return back to your site and then go to top right, click on insert and click on embed. Now, when you do that, you do by URL and then paste in the URL, and simply over here it's going to start loading the sample. Click on insert and it's going to insert that in, and over here it says allow anyone with the link to access. You want to make sure, of course, you do whatever you want here. I'm going to do viewer and I'm going to click on share, and there we go. Anyone that now actually plays this is going to be able to hear this audio. Okay, so let me actually show you. If I go ahead and go into preview mode here, it's going to load in the audio, and then I'll be able to go ahead and hit play, and it's basically going to play that audio over here. There we go. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.